Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with the source phone, turn on mobile data, and enable the personal hotspot. Once done, open hotspot settings to name the network and set WPA2 password. This protects your connection and avoids accidental pairing. Make sure you pick 4 GHz for broader compatibility or 5 GHz for faster speeds if both phones support it. You should also verify AP band and visible SSID. Those choices decide who can see and how fast the tethered device will run. Now on the receiving phone, you open Wi-Fi, scan, and tap the hotspot SSID you created. You enter the password carefully, case matters, and then wait for the authentication to finish. This step establishes the encrypted link and assigns an IP via DHCP. If the phone prompts for IP settings, choose DHCP unless you need a fixed address for a specific app. Once connected, check the Wi-Fi icon and test by loading a web page. This confirms the data path from the source mobile to the internet. Finish by verifying internet access. Open a few websites and stream a short video to ensure consistent throughput. If pages fail, restart the hotspot and the receiving phone. Often a quick toggle clears DNS or DHCP glitches. If problems persist, re-enter the password, switch the hotspot band, and confirm no carrier tethering blocks apply. As a final tip, check data usage limits on the source device. Exceeding a cap can throttle or stop tethering, so monitor usage and adjust settings accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.